If this happens, I am buying more Shiba Inu. I'm going to say up front, this is not investing advice. This is not me telling you what you should do. You should do what's right for you, of course. But if this happens, if this event or events happen in the next couple of weeks, which they are entirely possibly going to do, I am buying. I am adding to my positions. With that said, we're going to get into this. As always, thank you for your support. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like, tell the algorithm we are here. Right now, SHIB is trading at 40.1069. The overall market is down 1.32%. Bitcoin 22.1, Ethereum 1500. Why am I showing you all that? Because you need to understand the context for what I'm about to tell you. For the event or events that are about to happen or could happen that would make me want to buy. Okay. We have a couple of big volatility events, and that are coming up. We've also had Chairman Powell give a speech today to Congress, and he effectively said that there's going to be higher interest rates coming than expected. Now, this is not really surprising. We've kind of known that there's some stuff happening. Specifically, February, we had a hotter than expected jobs report. We had a hotter than expected CPI inflation report, and we had a hotter than expected PCE report. All three of those kind of acronyms and those three events add up to one thing. Inflation is not going away as fast as we, the government, and us, quite frankly, retail investors, everybody would like it to, right? Okay. We have so that's February. That's like setting the stage. Then we had today, Chairman Powell come out, gave a speech, and let me show you what happened in the stock market right here. Let's see. The stock market, went down 551 points on the Dow. NASDAQ down 156. Stocks fall as Powell comes in hawkish to Congress. Hawkish equals bearish. Basically, he said, look, it's going to be bumpy and things are not going to be. I mean, come on, guys. This is not really hugely surprising. It's not. You can't do 7 interest rate hikes in 2022. You can't have inflation at a 40-year all-time high and expect us to have a absolute perfect soft landing and all this kind of stuff. Okay, so now to the events that if they happen, I am buying for Shiba Inu. We have March 14th. We are getting the next CPI report. So this will be the February numbers that we're getting the report on March 14th. I expect those numbers to be hot. I expect those numbers to not be very good. Also, fast forward to March 21st and March 21. So about 14, 15 days from now, give or take, we have the FOMC meeting. This is when the Federal Reserve is set to meet to basically raise the interest rate. We were expecting 25 basis point raise. That's been off the table, in my opinion, since February, since we got those 3 hotter than expected, events, the jobs report, the CPI, PC, and the PCE. Okay. So if we get a hotter than expected March 14 CPI report, and or we get a higher than expected interest rate hike on March 22nd, which when the Federal Reserve announces it, and the price of SHIB drops to, let me show you what I'm talking about here. If the price of Shiba Inu drops from 40.1067 approximately to 5 zeros and a 9, I am buying, or anything below that. If we give up a 0, I am buying. Why am I buying? It is absolutely an opportunity. It's an opportunity to buy SHIB at a lower price point through SHIB going down lower through no fault of its own. It has nothing to do with Shiba Inu. It's a macro event, right? I am buying at that because I will be adding to my bag on and DCAing lowering my cost average, right? Because I firmly believe in SHIB. I talk about it every day. I know what's coming. I know the metaverse is coming. I know Shibarium's coming. I know there's going to be thousands of projects going to launch their projects on Shibarium when it launches. All that kind of stuff is out there. I know that the price of Bone is going to go up. I know all this. I know that crypto overall, the entire crypto market will go up. We got the Bitcoin halving coming in April approximately of 2024. That is a watershed moment that is ultimately going to raise the valuation of the entire crypto market. We're talking about Bitcoin could be $200,000 per Bitcoin. And it's 22,000 right now in end of and moving into 2025. So why wouldn't I, if I have an opportunity to buy, say, for example, Shiba Inu at a lower cost basis, because in this short term move down, because of these two factors I've told you about, they're happening in March, I'm buying. There you go. This is not me telling you what you should do. This is just me telling you what I'm doing. I see an opportunity, I'm going to buy. So with that said, thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my stuff every single day. Thanks for being here with me every day. I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for giving me a voice and helping me to build this channel. And I care about one thing, helping you make more money in crypto. I'll see you. Go make some money.